दरवाजा
This is not gonna work like this. He ये करना है. Okay, so it is Thursday today, and the time right now is, what time is it? 8:20. We got off from work 6 p.m. because these days we have started working around 8:30 a.m. So yeah, so when we start 8:30, we leave at 6 p.m. So yeah, today we left sharp at 6 p.m. because it's a long weekend, extra long weekend. Because tomorrow is off, Monday is off. Thought we should get our all the stuff done, such as groceries, gas filling, and then etc. So we are out still since 2 hours, and we still have to do Indian groceries. So we're gonna go to Indian grocery store and do the grocery from there, and then we're gonna go home, do the deep cleaning as usual on weekends, and then we are going to cook, eat, and we are going to sleep for long hours. That's Sanjay. So let's go. So for one goldfish, we need to get this tank, this big tank. Maximum size 10 inches, and we loved this one as well. And this is fancy koi. She gets up to 36 inches, and we're gonna need 240 gallons for this. So yeah. So this is our food for the picnic. This is Amerta, and these are Sikh kebab rolls with parathas. And look at this weather, guys. It's beautiful, right? And we are going to make lassi, of course. So right now we are heading for a teeny tiny picnic to a park. The plan is to spend whole day over there because the weather is beautiful today. And this is the stuff that we got. That's it. We are super happy that summer is here. It's beautiful weather. And we are looking forward for such short trips throughout the summer. And it's so quiet, so peaceful, and amazing. Nice clean park. Let me show you. And this was much needed. It's always a peaceful experience for us. Yeah, so we are going to spend a lot of time in here until the sun is set. The plan is we are going to play badminton, we are going to eat and sleep a little bit. It's been so long we haven't done any outdoor activity, so we are super happy that summer is here. And the plan is we are gonna spend our weekends outdoor in parks and short picnics like this. Okay guys, so it is super windy, so it is almost near to impossible to play, so maybe next time. So we're gonna spend some time in here, and I'll see you later. So we had to buy a little bit of stuff because this weekend we did not do groceries from Costco. So we bought some basic stuff just for a couple of days. Now we're heading home. The time is 6:47. So let's go. So we squeezed 3 lemons, cut some cucumber, we added some black salt and a little bit of black pepper. This is called kala namak. So we added kala namak in it. So I'm going to add this roasted cumin seed. And I'm going to mix it. Mix. It's ready. Let me taste it. Good. We are going to enjoy our drink in balcony. guys, so we came to buy some plants for our balcony. There you go, these are roses. We are back. We went to buy some plants. Let me show you what we got. So this is jasmine plant. These are some flowers. We also got a rose plant. We've also ordered some, what do you call, seeds and plant pots. So we are going to just set this up, and we are super excited to what do you call, to set our balcony. Just unbox the pots. Here it is. They are pretty much good size. Okay. Nice. And this is soil.
What's this?
1/3 is it? The name of this flower is Dahlia purple. Purple is his favorite color. So let's start with this. I think it's not even 1/3, it's half. See, nice. Now gently, we're gonna put this in here.
Side में होकर दवा जमा.
This is not gonna work like this. He ये कर रहा है. ये roots actually कौन expose रख दिया. This is my favoriteest flower on this planet, the jasmine. It smells so good. Okay guys, so this is the situation. Actually we ran out of the soil, so we are going to order more, or maybe we are going to buy tomorrow on our way back from work. And they look super nice. So tomorrow we're gonna put them in our balcony.